like Shabba. Some like Shabba.
First thing, I'm going to brush my baby hairs in place. Then I'm going to try these two stacking caps. I have one tan and the other one is brown. Now, I realized the tan was so light for my skin tone, so I wasn't really feeling it. So then I tried the brown and it was perfect. So we're going to work with this. Now, next thing I'm going to do is clean my forehead with rubbing alcohol because we need our wig to stay in place when we use the gel. So I'm cleaning the makeup on my forehead, and then I'm going to use the Got To Be Frizz Spray. I really have been feeling this product to the other one. The gel, I feel like the gel is so nasty to work with. I don't know, that's just what I feel. But this also holds really, really well, even better than the gel. Please don't be stingy with this, just use a generous amount. And then I'm going to blow dry everything. I didn't have the patience to make this dry, but you really have to blow dry this till it's very, very dry. So you could see that when I go to where the sideburn is, it started lifting. So I'm cutting the excess cap, and then I'm also blow drying whilst I'm cutting because it wasn't that dried. Also, you need to be very careful whilst you're cutting so you don't cut some of your own baby hair out. So now what I'm doing is trimming the cap that has lifted out. This is the hair I'm going to use, and I have two combs. I use combs because I like to put my wigs in a bun sometimes. Also, I have elastic band for extra security. So this is how the wig looks when I first put it on. It looked really good, like very natural. So now I'm going to cut the excess frontal out because I have a really small head. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now, if this is your first time, please don't do it on your head. You can take it off and cut carefully, or you can also ask somebody to help you, someone who can do this to help you out. Everything is looking perfect, so I'm going to cut the excess lace at the front also out, and what you need to do is just follow the hairline, and you would see that I'm not cutting a straight line. I'm just going little by little because I like it when my frontal looks a little jagged. I feel like it makes it look more natural, like it lays perfectly as compared to cutting a straight line. Next, I'm going to use the frizz spray again, and then you guys, at this point I was getting fed up because whilst I was trying to lay the frontal, I realized the cap was shifting, and I just didn't know what to do at this point. So I started pulling it forward again, and you will see in the video. Just watch. Now I am laying my frontal down, and I really don't have enough forehead space, so I don't like pulling my frontal all the way to the front. So yeah, and I have done this in some of my videos, so I'm not really going to talk much in this, so please keep on watching. So let's talk about the stocking cap method. Now, you guys, this method really takes time. I think you need a lot of practice to get perfect. So, I don't know, but I feel like it made my frontal look really, really good. Yes, I bleached my frontal, but even with the cap underneath, it looked perfect. So will I do this method again? Yes, I will, but first I have to learn again. Like, I really have to be perfect on it before I try it on anybody else. Now I'm about to start, so keep on watching. before I leave, let me wish you guys a happy new year. I know it's late, but happy new year. Thank you so much for watching, and catch you on my next video. Bye. Mama boy, you. Mama boy, you.